Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be installing my new carbon fiber steering wheel. It's fully carbon fiber, as you guys saw. It comes from Zexulous. I can't say the name, I'm sorry. And well, this cost me roughly about 200 bucks, which is not bad for a fully carbon fiber steering wheel. So it's really light. It's 1.6 pounds. I'm honestly kind of scared of breaking it. I also got a hub from them. And I also have a horn button, but I don't know if it's in yet. I'm going to be installing the steering wheel right now. I really want to see how it looks in the car, so let's go to the car. I'm not going to show how to take off the steering wheel and everything. If you want to watch how to do it, I have a video in the link below and on the screen right now. So if you want to see how to take it off, make sure to go to that video. I'm going to take off the steering wheel and then be right back with you guys. Hey, what's up everyone? As you see in the thumbnail, I got some Aodhan wheels and with some Achilles tires. Right now, let's get started with the wheels. I got staggered sets, so let me open them up. Alright guys, so here's the 10.5. Let me take the strap off. Since you guys have seen the wheels, let me show you guys the tires. So I bought some Achilles ATR Sports 2. I read about it online. They're really good, really grippy. They're so-called drift tires, but autocross people use it too. I just put the tire lettering just because I just like doing it to all my tires, to be honest. But I got two 45/40 in the front, and then for the back I have two 75/40s. Hopefully I don't rub, but they're pretty big. So once I find somebody to install the tires, I'll be right back. Hey, what's up guys? So I'm in my car. I got the wheels in the back. I have both of the front and one tire, and then in my brother's car we're gonna take the other set. So I'll see you guys once I'm at the shop and I'm getting them installed. So I'm at the wash. I'm just gonna clean the car, and I'm probably gonna do something else. I kind of want to do something to the eyelets and just take them off and then wrap them with carbon fiber. And yeah, I'm gonna do that right after I clean the car, and I'm gonna show you guys how good the wheels look on the Z. So let's do that first. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I put two videos in one just because I didn't have enough footage, and I really want to make my videos a lot longer now. Also, I have new videos coming up. I have new headlights and just pretty much other mods, and I will be posting more content from now on. So make sure to stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
that's what we meant. And she said